This is Solomon cooking soul food. Today we're going to do a satay chicken. So what you have is these nice piece of chicken leg or chicken breast if you so choose. And what we do is that we're going to put it inside a brine solution for about 6 hours. So the brine solution is basically a mixture of about 6% salt solution together with a little bit of brown sugar, some brown sugar, and then you put it there and then you leave it in the fridge for about 6 hours. So some of them done here and they're already being brown, they're already brine. So you take them all out one at a time, and then you have these nice piece of brine chicken. And the next thing you do is that you put them, you may put them inside, you may dry them up and then put it inside a Ziploc bag. So you have these large gallon-sized Ziploc bag. And then you put them in the Ziploc bag. 4 pieces of chicken leg or chicken breast if you so prefer. And then you nicely close the Ziploc bag, pressing out all the air. Just zip it almost through, but leave about an inch or two that is unzipped, and you need to spread it out. And what you do next is you would put them into a sous vide machine. And the sous vide machine here, if you can see that, I have set the temperature of the water to be at 140 degrees Celsius. I'm going to put it in the Ziploc bag and then you put it inside the water. And what you do is that you make sure that the chicken is not come together. And you push it down. You see the water is not so hot, it's scalding. Actually, I can even put my finger in. Now, as you push the Ziploc bag down, you push out the air because of the water pressure, and you zip it all together, all close together. So the air is driven out, and then you just leave it in the water for about 1 hour or maybe 1.5 hours. Okay, so the satay chicken, we're going to add butter squash. So we're going to put some butter in a pan. And then we cut up butterscotch into small cubes, and then we just put it inside, and then cook it for maybe 10 minutes or more, depending on how soft you want it to be. We're going to take out the chicken, satay chicken, and what you have is this very tenderly done that has been cooked in the sous vide bath at 140 degrees for about 2 hours. And so what you have here, I take it out of the bag, is that these very nice pieces of cooked, still very, very juicy chicken. And I have used chicken legs, and you can use chicken breast if you want. They tend to be thicker. There's a lot of juice in there. Now, some of you may want to fry it in a pan first to brown either one side of it, and today we're not going to do it. So we take this piece of chicken. I'm going to cut it up again into pieces that's about 1 inch by 1 inch, just like this. And so this is another one. We cut it into 1 inch by 1 inch, and very nicely. See, you can see that it's it's already done, but right inside here is really, really fresh. The chicken is so good, so good. And so you cut it up. It's just so moist and tender. And so what you do is you cut more of this so that we can skewer them together. So we have skewered them enough. Now, earlier we tried to do the squash. We fried in butter, and it has been done for like, on all 4 sides you browned it, and it's soft, very soft now. And just kind of just taking a piece of it. Very nice, very good texture. So some of you may want to just add a little bit more sugar in it, depend on whether you got a sweet tooth or not. And then you take the skewer, which is here. Again, you do it alternate. this very nice piece of butter squash, and then you take the chicken, and I've taken a very big piece, and then you put another piece of squash, and another piece of chicken, and a piece of squash, 3, and to finish I like a big piece of chicken. Alright, so the next we're going to do is the satay chicken. So we have all these very nicely skewered, butter squashed, and then what you do is that you take some satay sauce and just put onto that. This is just, you can just apply on it and then just turn it over. And the satay sauce is very nice. Go with the, it has some butter, peanut butter in it. It also have other things such as fish sauce, and also has a very nice touch of lemongrass and tamarind and things like that, which is very, very nice. So after you're done with it, you just put it on again on the Solomon grill nicely, and then you just track it to the sun by adjusting the leg of the Solomon grill. And since the sun is kind of low, so we're going to just set it a little bit deeper into the horizon, and then you just skewer it. It really depends on how you like it. You want to burn it, take it like 10 minutes. If you want it just hot, it can take less than that, and it's done. It's ready to eat.